Everyone, so in this class we are going to discuss what is network. Okay, so let me write down here. We will say in this class we are going to discuss what is network. Theory we will see first. So I will write here what is network. So you need to define in your own words, no need to by heart, or we can say networking. So what is networking? We can say this way. What is networking? Why we need the networking? What is the use of network? How we can define, or we can say how we can define the network. So what we can say, network are used for number of reason. We can give here network is used for number of reason, like to share the information, file sharing, resources sharing, application sharing, printer sharing. Before going to that one, we can define network is nothing but connecting of devices. Like if you have one PC here and you have one more PC here, we can say when we connect this one and they can communicate, we can say this is also a network. So network are used for sharing the resources or to communicate the devices. We are using the network. How we can define in our own words? We can define, we can say network are used for a number of reason. One way or another is usually about for sharing the information. We can share the information. Okay, sharing the information, sharing info I can write here, and then you can share the files and also share the printer, share the application. And what else we can say? We can say network can be small as two computer, or that is directly connected to each other, or network can be big, like you have one router here, this is connected to the ISP router. Okay, and this one is connected to one switch, and this is a switch 1, and this is a router R1, and this is connected to PC. So we can say like network are used for number of reason, as we say file sharing, printer sharing, share the information. And we can define like network can be small or it can be big. Small as like two computer connected directly, or it is big like one computer is connected to the whole world with the help of internet. So we can define network can be small as two computers that are connected directly to each other, or we can say it is a large as the internet with the millions of devices. Okay, in your own words you need to reproduce. You should not by heart or do anything, just you need to remember. Okay, so to have the network, what we need the devices. We have the PC1 and PC2, or you can have the here Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi router, so you have here Wi-Fi signal. So you can have the smartphone, or you have the smartphone and the Wi-Fi router, that is also we are calling network. What are the network device? Means you have the router also. One is the router is a network device. You have the switch also as a network device, and you have the endpoints, that is a PC, server. So these all are the network devices we can say. And we have the, what else we can say, firewall is also our network device we can say. Server is nothing but like it is similar to the computer, but it is having the high configuration. Like computer is having low configuration and computer is running the client operating system, server will run the server operating system. So in our own words we can define, we can say network is nothing but connecting the devices. Networking is used to share the resources, and to create the network we need the cable, we need the device. If you have the wire network, or if you want to connect the wireless, you need the wireless router, the Wi-Fi router, and the smart devices. We can define this way also. And we can say we have the switch also. If you are using the wire network, then we can connect the devices to the switch. So if example you have the number of PC, if you have PC1 here, PC2 here we can say, and you have here PC3. So you cannot connect here directly if you want to connect, because in our normal PC you have only one NIC card, network interface card, or LAN card as we are calling. So you cannot connect. Even you can install, but even if you install, you can connect only to computer. Imagine if you have 20 computer, then how you will connect? So what we will do, we will use the switch. So switch, we will connect our devices to the switch. Okay, like this you can connect, and then they can send the data, they can talk to the machine, different machine can talk to each other. So we can say switch is a device which is used to connect the endpoints. We have two types of switch. We can say we have the layer 2 switch, we have the layer 3 switch. So layer 2 switch is working on the MAC address, layer 3 switch is working on IP also, and by default layer 3 switch work like layer 2 only until and unless we enable the layer 3 feature. Okay, so this is a switch and this is a router. So router is a device which is used to make the communication between different network. In router we can do the ACL, we can do the NAT, we can do the PAT, and we can do many more things. In simple, we can say router is a device which is used to make the communication between the two or more different network. This is just overview I am giving. Anyhow, we will go from the scratch. In our next class we will do from the scratch, but anyhow in the high level just I am giving you some information. Okay, so how you will define what is network? Network is nothing but connecting the devices. With the help of networking we can connect the devices. All devices can talk to each other. We can have two PC connected to each other, that is also network. If you have a device connected to the internet with the millions of devices, that is also network we can define. And what else we can discuss here? Let's see, like router we discuss some initial thing. Later we will see what is router also and different thing. Let's see what is firewall. So firewall also we are using in the organization. If you see in the enterprise network or any other network also, firewall is also important, because we need to secure our servers and also secure our internal resources. So we are using the firewall. So depending upon our design, we can connect the firewall to the ISP, or we can connect the firewall to our router and router is connecting to the ISP. That is depending upon how they design. So you can have this type of structure, like we can say here is a PC1, here is a PC2, this is switch, okay, and here is a PC3, and this is a next generation firewall we can say. Okay, so this may be Palo Alto we can say, or FortiGate, any firewall we can take, or you can have FTD. So any firewall we can say. So this is a small architecture we can say. We have one firewall connected to the ISP, then you have switch and you have the PC. So why firewall we are using? To secure our resources. Firewall will not allow without policy. So you need to create the policy here. Based upon your policy, the firewall will allow the traffic or deny the traffic. So we can say firewall is used to allow the traffic or deny the traffic based upon the policy. We can secure our network with the help of firewall. Okay, so we can say this is the basic definition. Later we will see in detail. So just try to remember this basic thing. In our next class we are going to discuss from scratch. Again we are going to discuss from the basic.